Hey everyone, it's been a while since I've done one of these videos, and today and tomorrow I'm out camping and getting some photos of trains. Something I haven't done for a very long time. I decided to go east into the Wheatbelt, about 5 k's east of Tamman in Western Australia. I'm definitely not going to be camping anywhere close to the highway because I just won't get decent sleep at night. I've got a couple of joints that are a bit off the highway in mind to camp at. I'd like to camp somewhere near the railway line, just so I can get photos right up to dusk pretty much. Yeah, so hopefully I'll get a few trains while I'm out here today and tomorrow, and maybe even on Sunday. This is where I'm going to try camping tonight, the Baandee Lakes, just out near Doodlakine, WA. A little bit of corrugation there, as you can see in the footage. Up until about a month ago I was looking at reviews on wiki camps, and people were saying, it's kind of mud city out here, so I don't really know what to expect. There's also a fair few mozzies around back at Tamman, so I'm sort of hoping it's not going to be too muddy where I want to camp, and it's not going to be mozzie city. Anyway, so it's far enough away off the highway, and at least there's something nice. There's a lake, so yep, we'll give it a go. It's more like Rabbit City, isn't it? Come on. I suppose I'll find a spot to pull up. So yep, I'll set up here. Highway's just the other side of the lake over there. There's only like a light rumble of trucks going by. No one else is here at the moment, so I've got the run of the place to myself. Anyway, it's going to be a chilly night. It's not too muddy out here. It gets worse obviously just down there, so I didn't bother to go any further, besides there's no tree cover or anything down there. But nice joint. I'm glad I came the extra distance along the highway to set up here. Alright, I'll get to it. It's actually a pretty good spot. So, I've got my fire going, I've got a beautiful sunset. Let's, swing it around and you can have a look. Look at that. Beautiful. So I got the whole joint to myself, and as you can see, it's just, you know, like a mill pond out there. Beautiful. And I'll drop down here. And there's the setup. Just going basic, this one. Just the awning out, stretcher, swag, fire. Cooking up a T-bone pretty soon. I did end up getting the train I was after. I literally just left Tamman and to head to this Baandee Lakes, and then I saw the headlight of the train coming about a kilometre 2k in the distance. So I quickly swung around, headed back to Tamman, got the drone up in time, and got some video and some photos. So I got the train I was after. Only one photo, one lot of video, that'll do. I just really wanted to go and set the camp up and have a beer. Priorities. Anyway, catch you later. Well, that was actually a pretty good night. Wind's picked up a little bit out there now, but it was a still night. It actually got really cold probably around about 7:30, 8 o'clock last night. By about 8, I was already in the swag, and it was actually really warm in the swag because I've got this sleeping bag that's really good for temperatures down to -6. I was pretty warm all night, and then with the swag canvas over my head, it was all good. In fact, I think I slept into about 8 this morning because I didn't know it was light outside. That's how good the swag is. I enjoyed this night here at Baandee Lakes. I'd definitely come back here again. Last night was brilliant. No mozzies, no flies. There was no wind. Water was just, like I said, mill pond flat. Beautiful sunset. So I really lucked out with this one. Anyway, enough of my waffling. I think I'm probably just gonna get going in a sec and might pick up a train and chase that back towards Northam or something. After meeting up with some friends in Northam, we headed into the Avon Valley to set up camp for the night. We picked a location close to the tracks, and throughout the evening we could hear the trains pass by. Day 3 began with typical winter low-lying cloud blanketing the Avon Valley. We packed up our camp and prepared to photograph and film the first train of the morning. Thanks for watching. Till next time.